It can be so hard to build a website that really represents your business and your brand. Website builders like Squarespace have definitely made it easier to launch a website fast, even without design experience. But once you start building your website, maybe using one of the basic default templates that Squarespace has to offer, you might feel like it's not really coming out the way you wanted it to. Even though people on YouTube make it look so easy and so simple to make beautiful websites, it's actually quite hard. Not only do you have to learn how to use Squarespace, you also have to try to make it look good. It can be so frustrating to put in all that time and effort only to end up with something that still doesn't feel good enough to represent your business, which is why a lot of people turn to web designers to help them build out their website. But for many small businesses just starting out, the cost of hiring a professional web designer may be way out of reach. And yet it can't be denied that having a polished, on-brand website is crucial for building trust and being taken seriously as a business, especially when you're trying to sell a product or a service. So what's a small business owner to do? As a Squarespace web designer, I've had a lot of people reach out about custom websites only to realize it's just not in their budget, which is what led me to design my own Squarespace template. Something that still feels polished and professionally designed, but in a much more affordable package. I feel like the template kind of looks like a custom built website, but it is flexible. It can be completely customized, starting with the colors. In the template package, I include specific guidance on how to update your colors to ensure they work with the design, which is something you definitely don't get with the default color palettes in Squarespace. If you've ever played around with Squarespace's color theme settings at all, you know how tedious it can be. It's so frustrating that the default experience when building a website in Squarespace is that when you change the colors in the color palette, you then have to go through all of the individual color settings across all the color themes and manually update everything to make sure the colors actually work together. And I wanted to improve that experience. So I spent a lot of time tweaking each of the color theme settings, and I created a simple framework that makes it easy to swap out the colors without breaking the existing design. I've also included some bonus color palettes that I've already tested and work well with the template in case you need help choosing colors. As you can see, there are some graphics that I've used throughout the template, these clouds and star shapes, to add some flair and personality to the website. And these can be swapped out with some bonus graphics that will also come with the template. I wanted the graphics in this template to be effortless and seamless. So actually, as you change your color palette, the shapes will update automatically to match. So you don't need to worry about trying to edit the graphics in a separate program to update the colors. It just works directly in Squarespace. To make the template even more flexible, I added some bonus section layouts that can be easily added to any of the pages on the website if you need them. I've also built into this template an easy way to reset sections if things like start looking off and you want to revert that section back to the original. And I'm including video instructions showing you exactly how to do that. Speaking of video instructions, I went back and forth on how much video instruction and guidance to include with the template, because on the one hand, I know a lot of people don't have that much experience with Squarespace and would probably appreciate a full walkthrough so they're not left stranded, unsure of how to update the template. But at the same time, I know a lot of people are already familiar with Squarespace, and so they probably don't want to be watching a whole bunch of video tutorials showing them how to use Squarespace because they already know how to use it. So I decided to make two packages. One is the basic package that assumes you already know how to use Squarespace, and it only comes with minimal instruction on the unique features of this template, like how to swap out the graphics and explaining the color framework and all of that kind of stuff. And then the extended package will include a much more comprehensive walkthrough of Squarespace, as well as some of the tips and tricks from my personal workflow as a seasoned Squarespace developer, and how to get around some of the frustrating Squarespace quirks that you might come across that they definitely don't talk about in the official documentation, but you will probably run into. I tried to pack as much value into this extended guide as possible without it being super overwhelming. Like, I think these videos will actually be very helpful. This template is something that I put a lot of care into. I wanted to give small businesses and creatives a fun and colorful website that they could use that feels more aligned with their brand than maybe some of the other templates that are out there. In my next video, I'm going to be doing a rebrand of the template for a completely different business. As you can see, the fictional business that I'm using to demo this template is like a co-working cafe called Luna, but I'm going to rebrand it to be like a vintage thrift shop. And then I also want to do another rebrand like later on of maybe like a more masculine business, just to show like how versatile it is. If you have any ideas for businesses that I should do a rebrand of, let me know in the comments, maybe your business. If you're watching this video right when it comes out, I'm going to be having a pretty big sale on the template in the upcoming weeks that will be exclusive to people that are on my email list. So if you want to get the template at like a pretty big discount, make sure you sign up at the link in the description below this video. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to rebrand this whole template. Okay, bye.